Sleek design and thoughtful features combine in a way that truly sets this vehicle apart. The 2025 Buick Envista blends style, comfort, and advanced technology into a package that stands out in its class. Could this be the best compact luxury SUV on the market? Let's find out. The Envista slots in as Buick's stylish entry-level SUV, replacing the Encore, and it's got a lot going for it. Right off the bat, the exterior design catches your eye. It's sleek and modern, with sharp lines, a bold grille, and signature LED lighting that gives it a refined yet sporty vibe. The new aquamarine blue metallic paint option adds to its appeal, giving it an edge on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted by a premium upscale cabin. Buick has gone all out with soft touch materials, comfortable seating, and a clean layout. The infotainment system is as user-friendly as ever, with a 10.25-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto Standard on all trims. Plus, you've got some handy features like a standard remote start and rear parking assist. The Envista is spacious for its class, with enough room to comfortably seat 5. It also has a decent cargo area, making it versatile for daily use, whether you're commuting or taking a weekend getaway. Under the hood, powered by a 1.2-liter turbocharged engine producing 136 horsepower. While that might not sound like much, this SUV is geared towards efficiency and a smooth driving experience rather than high-speed thrills. Expect solid fuel economy, thanks to its small, efficient engine and a quiet, relaxed ride. It's perfect for city driving, but it handles highway cruising with ease too. Pricing for the 2025 Buick Envista starts at an affordable range, making it a standout in the compact luxury SUV market. With its starting price just under $23,000 and reach up to $29,000 depending on trims and options, this SUV offers premium features without the hefty luxury price tag. Be sure to check with your local dealer for the latest availability and options. Buick has packed with automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control available on higher trims. These features help give you peace of mind whether you're navigating through city traffic or hitting the open road. So, is the 2025 Buick Envista the best compact luxury SUV out there? It's certainly got a lot of the right ingredients: stylish looks, modern tech, and comfort, all wrapped up at an attractive price point. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel.